Hey, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys while I drive. I'm going to call this Drive and Learn. So today we're going to go ahead and drive and learn. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start this video off with asking a simple question. And I want to know if you guys know what credit repair is. So, you know, if you know what credit repair is, I'd like you just to type it into the notes. Type it into the comments below. Just go ahead and let me know what your thoughts on what credit repair is, because a lot of people have different answers to this question, and we want to go ahead and analyze the question and then go ahead and answer that question and give you guys the true meaning of what credit repair actually is. So go ahead and put in the comments what you believe credit repair is, and then we're going to go ahead and talk about it. What I want you guys to do is go ahead and share this video on your page so that we can go ahead and get the word out there. We want to go ahead and let you guys know that we're here. We want to go ahead and reach the 500 people. That's our mark that we've set for 2019, that we want to touch the lives of 500 families this year. And, you know, we've already gone a full month. And you know, we're a little behind our goals of what we want to do, but we understand that this is you know, with the government shutdown and everything, things have taken a little bit longer than anticipated, but we are coming up on the tax season, so we want to make sure that, you know, you guys are investing in yourselves, investing in something that's going to work, is going to be beneficial for you and your family. So with that being said, please share the video. Like I said, share the video on your page, share it, tag your friends, tag somebody that you think, tag 3 friends you think would benefit from the services of our credit repair services. Again, if this is a topic that you guys think you guys are going to like, go ahead and hit that like button. We want to smash that thumbs up, just try to get the information out there. We want to share the information with as many people that can possibly view this video. So share the video, and we're going to go ahead and give it a few more seconds before we go ahead and talk about our subject for today, which is what is credit repair. So I'll give it a few more seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with the answer to that question. Today is February 7th, it's Thursday, and we want to go ahead and make sure that we're hitting as many people as possible, so share the video. It's very important that we get this information out there. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and answer the question for you. What is credit repair? Our definition of credit repair is to actually review your credit report and see what is on there. We want to look at a tri-merge credit report, which is a credit report that has all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. We want to look at that information and make sure that, 1, the account is reporting 100% accurately. 2, we want to make sure that the account is 100% verifiable. And we want to make sure, 3, that it's reporting within the allotted time frames based on the type of account that it is. So to give you an example of what that means, if you have an inquiry, when you apply for credit, they'll place an inquiry on your credit report. Depending on who they pull the credit report from, that's where the inquiry will go. And inquiry will stay on your credit report for 2 years. So that's the type of time frames that we're talking about. Negative accounts, they stay on for 7 years. So these are the types of things. So what is credit repair? Credit repair is actually looking at those credit reports and seeing what is reporting inaccurately, what we believe to be unverifiable, and reporting past those statutes. We want to make sure that we go ahead and either get those repaired, corrected, or deleted from your credit report. This in turn goes ahead and will increase your credit scores, usually. Now, it can have a reversed effect, but this is what credit repair is. Now, this is only 35% of your credit score, okay? So 35% of your credit repair is based on how you pay your bills. So this is the only thing that we're able to help you with in regards to the credit repair. We're able to help with 35%. But we don't stop there. We go the extra mile. We go ahead and give you the education to go ahead and let you know, yes, that this is 35% of your score, but there's a whole nother 65%. Now, 15% of your score is based on history. This is just something that you're going to have to build up with time. So as time goes on, you'll build more history. You'll be able to get more points based on this section. But the second highest section, which is a lot of people's fears, is having credit cards, open revolving credit cards. And we want to keep the utilization down to a bare minimum. Now, this counts for 30% of your score, and 30 points is a lot of points. It's up to 165 points. Your FICO score is based on a low of 300 and a high of 850. You have a spread of 550 points. So credit utilization based on your credit cards, open credit cards, counts for up to 165 points. So a lot of people don't want to get credit cards, but if you want to have good credit, excellent credit, you will need to obtain credit cards. Now, when you get those credit cards, you just want to make sure that you don't spend more than 10%. Definitely don't go over 30% of the credit limit. What we like to say here is whatever your credit limit is, take that last number, slash it off, and then don't spend more than that amount. So if you have a $10,000 card, don't spend more than $1,000. You're going to take that last zero off of the $10,000, and it will come down to $1,000. You don't want to go over that $1,000. You want to make sure you make your payments on time. So what we do is we focus, one, on trying to get the negative information either repaired or taken off of your report, and two, we give you credit education like this to go ahead and help increase some scores. So that's what we do here at Approve My Score. We want to make sure that we help you guys get to what you need. So a lot of people have goals, whether they know it or not. A lot of people join my program just saying that they want better credit, but at the end of the day, they want some type of monetary, something that has to do with money. Whether it's credit cards, whether it's a car or a house, they want to make sure that they're able to get that information and get approved for that. So there's a couple things when you guys come into the system, come into our program and join the program, that we ask that you don't do. One, don't start applying for credit because you're in a credit repair program. That's just going to have a horrible effect on your credit. It's going to be harder for us to work those things, especially when they're brand new. A lot of people, they'll come into the program believing that because they started with their credit repair services that they will be able to get approved. It doesn't work that way. We have to get you to a certain level before we want you to actually start applying for credit. Usually 9 out of 10 times we have to put you through a credit rebuilding blueprint that we've put together for you to go ahead and help you guys get approvals. It is a building process. It is a step-by-step procedure that we've put together that we've been very successful with, as long as you follow the blueprint. You know, if you're going to build a house, they have a blueprint. You know, you build your foundation, you follow the steps on the blueprint to make sure that you're able to get, you know, your end result. And in this case, your end result is to have better credit so you can, one, buy a car, buy a house, get credit cards, get a loan, whatever the case is. We want to be able to help you guys reach that goal. So, you know, I started off the video asking what credit repair is. Credit repair is actually repairing or getting negative information corrected or deleted. Okay, so you can get it corrected if they're reporting misinformation. A lot of times some companies will report a wrong credit limit, which will in turn hurt your credit utilization, which is at 30%. Which is up to the 165 points. So we want to make sure that we're able to get you guys the information that you guys need. So that could be up to 165 points by them reporting the wrong credit limit. You know, if you have a $10,000 credit limit and they're only reporting a $1,000 credit limit, and you've only spent $1,000, which is 10% of the credit limit, Now it's looking like you're maxed out because you're 100%. You know, they're reporting a $1,000 balance and a $1,000 credit limit. And it looks like you're maxed out. So these are the types of things that we look for. These are the types of things that we go after. Whether you know, a lot of times our clients think that what's being reported is accurate, but in fact, when we take a look at it, a lot of things are inaccurate. And when things are inaccurate, you know, that's our job to go and start attacking those items on your behalf. When you guys get started with our services, you don't have to do anything. You know, you're going to have to complete an onboarding process, you know, obtaining your credit monitoring, and just forwarding us information. When you sign up, what happens is there's going to be an onboarding process. Onboarding process is where you're going to sign a contract that gives us the authority to go ahead and work on your behalf to start fixing your credit. So you'll sign the contract. You'll upload your identification documents. This is going to be a copy of your driver's license, state-issued ID, passport, and proof of your address. So we don't want you giving us any type of collection letters that has your name and address. We want something that's in good standing, maybe a utility bill, you know, your phone bill, your electricity bill, your water bill, your garbage bill, something like that. So, and then once you start receiving documents in the mail, we want you to either send them to us through the mail. You can upload them into your client portal, which is a secured portal, by the way, that you'll get access to when you join our program. Okay, so, and then after that, there's nothing else you need to do. You don't need to call nobody. You don't need to fill out any documents. You don't have to return documents that are sent to you. You just send everything to us. We do all the work on your behalf. That's what you're paying us for. That's what we're here for. We want to put our expertise to work for you, so that way you guys get to see the benefits of the service of a credible credit repair company. So with that being said, you know, I definitely appreciate the clients that we've had, past and present, and to the new clients that will be signing up with us, whether that's today, tomorrow, next week, or next month, or next year. You know, we definitely want to be able to be of service to you guys as well. If you guys know of anybody who's interested in getting started with services with our company, share the video with them. Let them know that we're here to serve them. We're here to serve you. We want to make sure that we get you guys to where you need to be. Like I said, I'm driving, so I apologize in advance for not being able to look at the camera throughout the video. I've tried to look at you guys, and that's me and my goofy self. But we just want to, like I say, we want to touch the lives for as many people as possible. And we want to start with you today. So if that's you, if you guys are ready to get started, I'm going to put a link for the sign up. The process is very simple. All you'll need to do is, you know, if you want more information, you could just complete the form as it is. If you're ready to sign up, just change on the top of the form. The left side on the top is going to say, I want more information. Right to the right is going to say, I'm ready to sign up. Just click on the I'm ready to sign up. Fill out your information. We need your full name, email address, your address, social security number, date of birth. And all this information is secured, so you don't have to worry about that. But we need this information so that way we can get started as quickly as possible. We all know that when you sign up that you want to get the stuff done as quickly as possible, and it all starts with you. So the quicker we get the information all complete, the quicker we'll be able to get started. There'll be information to put your credit card information in so you can make your payment. Once the payment is made, we get notified that you signed up. Once we get notified on our end, there's some things that we'll need to do, and those things that we'll need to do is we're going to have to set up a Dropbox folder for you, so that way you'll be able to see documents that we obtain on your behalf, as well as documents that you receive in the mail. You'll be able to do that, put them in that Dropbox folder. The next thing we'll do is we'll set up a client portal for you, to give you 24/7 access to your account with us at all times. You'll be able to log in and see where you're at, even if it's in the middle of the night or if it's on the weekend. You'll have direct access to me through the portal. You could always email us through the portal. Either myself or one of my team members will be able to get back to you. With that being said, like I said, if you guys have any questions, just comment below. Share this video with as many people as possible. And I look forward to working with you. I look forward to helping you hit your goals. And I want to just say thank you for taking the time to watch this quick video. You guys have a good day.